Time magazine called this product one of the best innovations in 2023. Today we are unboxing Lumaflex. Lumaflex is a red and infrared light therapy panel. Let's begin. I have to say, this is very nice box. I am impressed. This is instructions, and this is a welcome from CEO of the company. And here's the box. I think it's very nice case. I hope the insides are as nice. Oh wow. This is, I think this is for the case. This is not for the product itself. And here we have another instructions. And charger. Pretty long cable. Wow, that's good. And what else? Oh, okay, I guess it's a name tag. Oh. That's handy. And the Lumaflex itself. The panel, this is the panel that you apply on your body, and this is the charger. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside for a second. And what else is here? Okay, this is to attach the panel to my body. Very nice. And this is the same, but smaller, I guess, to attach it to my hands or feet. Okay, and this is probably to show some magic. No, just kidding. This is to clean the surface, and that would be it for the box. This is really nice packaging, and this also has lots of instructions. I'm going to take this and also this and also this, and I'm going to go and study and read, and I will be back in a few minutes and report to you on what's in here. So the Lumaflex, what we've learned from this cover is that it affects you in many different ways. There are two different types of lights, the red light and infrared light. And red light penetrates up to 1 inch deep and relieves you from the pain, if you have any. And the infrared light can penetrate up to 4 inches and helps your muscles to recover after the workout. In addition to pain relief and muscles recovery, there are other benefits. Repair broken cells, including the ones you get broken during your workout. Also, relieve the pain, which I already mentioned. So you don't need to take medications to relieve the pain. You can just use this. In addition, regenerative performance, so your body regenerates faster. Here I want to point out that I'm not representing this company, and I don't know if these claims are true or not. I hope they are, and I will let you test it out for yourself and find out. And with that, let's begin. So to turn this on, I just need to push this button, and this lights up, and also the panel vibrates. That means it starts working, and I need to push this button again to start the treatment. And there is a timer inside. It only runs for 10 minutes maximum, and you are not supposed to use it for longer than 10 minutes at the time, and 4 10-minute sessions in one day. And with that, you can just apply it to your body, and here, or even here. And yeah, you're supposed to receive all the benefits, and to stripe it to your body so you can exercise or walk or work. Actually, you can use one of these two, and I'm going to start by using the small one. And I will try to attach it and see how difficult that is. Okay, this goes here. This goes here. Maybe like this. Oh, my hands are really skinny. I think if you would have a bigger hands here, there would be enough, but I will try to tighten this up, maybe like this. It's still pretty big, and probably I need to take off my jacket to test it. Okay, how about now? Yeah, if I have a sore in my shoulders, I think I can just go like this for 10 minutes. And maybe I can use the second strap to fix it. Let me try. Yeah, this is much better. I think this way I can actually walk and I can do things, and this more or less stays in place. Or I can go on my computer and work. Okay, let's try to attach it to different parts. Assume I want it to be like here. You know, all these elements are really nice to touch. I have to agree, this feels like a premium product. It was quite a pricey. I bought it on the conference with a discount, but I think original is like $600 or $700 on Lumaflex website. But it does feel like something nice, I think. Something high quality. Okay, maybe this way. Yeah, I would say each strap is, one is too short, second one is also not too long, but if you combine the two, you can attach at the same time. You can attach it to various places in your body, and you can feel comfortable. This is good. I can walk, I can actually run, I can jump. It's comfortable, and it is a little bit warm, but not much. I almost don't feel it. This is good. And if I run out of charge, I think you can just turn it off, and I can easily charge it with a charger. And you see, it shows that it's when it's charging, it's gonna blink a little bit, and after that I can attach it back and it works again, right? And I can walk. Yeah, I really like this part. And also I like the box. I like this case. I think I can quickly turn it off and put this in a box and go anywhere I need to go and use it again later. Yeah, definitely make sure you keep both of this, because each one may not be convenient, but if you combine the two, you can pretty much attach it anywhere you need it. The magic. Oh. Turn it off. Oh, my charger. So I take my charger with me, and I take the small instruction manual, and that about it. Also, I can attach this name tag if I go travel and I'm afraid, or let's say I take it to the office and it can get lost or somebody can borrow it. So if I attach this to the case, hopefully this will stay with me and don't get lost. No, the other way, like this. Okay, I am ready to travel. Okay, now the last thoughts. I think the product is really premium and very nice to touch, and I really like these instructions and all these tabs where you can find information you need about the box, very easy, about the product. And I also like that I can take it with me anywhere. This is convenient, this is beautiful. My only question in this product is the price. I think there are a lot of red light therapy products on the market, and a lot of them available on Amazon or from other websites, and I'm not quite sure why, besides the design, besides the convenience, why would I have to pay so much premium for this? And yes, it's waterproof. Yes, you can take it to exercise with you, but you exercise longer than 10 minutes and you can only use it for 10 minutes. So I don't see the actual benefit of using it while you're exercising. It's an interesting concept, but I don't mind to use it and put a red light when I'm working or where I'm doing other things. So I don't know, I would leave it up to you to test it out and try, but to me it's a bit overpriced, even if it's nice premium product. I hope you like this video. If you did, please put a like, and if you have any comments, leave them in the comment box below, and subscribe to my channel, WELLROOM, for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.